Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. My sister,
Do you know which place she was designated?
Johor Bahru.
Johor Bahru. I would like to let you know that you come here to work and not to meet up with your sister or friends here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
You
No.
are you are healthy. Are you sure that you are healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Second time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I like Malaysia because I understand my last employer.
So you've
I,
been here in Malaysia before, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Marian Marpil, 42 years old. I have two daughters. They have own family. I worked before in Malaysia 4 years and a half since 2017 to 2021.
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, okay?
Okay.
Are you single mother or married?
I I have a long time partner.
You have a
Live in partner.
living partner.
Yes, ma'am.
Is he the father of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
May 29, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
Sorry.
What is your height and your
4
weight?
4'11" and I'm 47 kilos.
Okay. What about your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you got two children. How old are those children?
Um 24, the elder one, and the second one is 20 years old.
Okay. Is your husband or your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that we don't have any problem with him later?
Definitely, ma'am.
I don't want
Yes.
later that you come here to work in Malaysia and then suddenly you have your personal problem together with your live-in partner and then you wanted to go back home. There is no such a thing. Because you will
No.
going to sign a 2 years contract and you know it in yourself that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
Okay, ma'am.
Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So according to your profile and according to you, just a while ago, you have a working experience here in Malaysia way back 2017 to 2021. You worked for
Yes.
4 years to your previous employer. Can I know which part here in Malaysia or which place you were designated before?
Johor Bahru.
Johor Bahru. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Johor?
Cooking, clean the house, take care of the children, ma'am.
Did you do the laundry and the ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
That the time is 5 years old, and the one is zero. Zero.
Newborn. Is a
Uh,
newborn.
yes, yeah, yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you? Is it Chinese family, Indian family, or Malay family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? But of course, it's you finish your contract, but why you didn't continue working with this employer and then suddenly you go back home in the Philippines?
Pandemic.
Pandemic. After 2021, do you have any working experience as a housemaid, or what did you do in the Philippines after 2021 and until recently?
I'm taking my grandson.
Taking your
Taking,
grandson. So you are a full-time mother way back 2021 and until recently, am I right?
yes, ma'am.
So working here in Malaysia is not new for you, knowing that you have an experience way back before here, okay? You already
Yes,
know what are the preferences of those employers. You know that the houses here also is quite big, right? And
yes, ma'am.
employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. But I would like to let you know, and I would like to let you know that don't compare your previous employer to your recently employer, because every employer got different rules and regulations. Yeah. So if you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
go out to your previous employer before, now is we are no go out policy here. Okay? It's either you okay with our rules and regulations, it's fine, but if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines. Yeah?
Okay.
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 So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Tax the one that
Task. Are you
attack.
ready for any task that the
Yes. Yes.
employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Nah.
It's a
No.
yes or no.
No.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I can't experience, but I think I can.
It's a yes or no.
Yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have you don't afraid with any kind of pets.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times, this is a 2 years contract. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned just now, we don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's fine, you come work properly, but if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Okay.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your grandchildren and to your family at the same time, or maybe to your own self also. Okay? In
Yes.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can do whatever you want, but don't bring it here in Malaysia. We need to humble ourselves because we are a foreigner in this country. Yeah, we need to follow
Yes.
the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
Yes.
problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness later?
Sorry, ma'am.
Normally, you've been stuck in the Philippines for
Yes.
almost 4
For you.
years. So I think frequently homesickness will attack you because you've been stuck there for 4 years, right? So normally, how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
No, ma'am, because I have a grandson. That's why I'm not homesick.
I think that's all for now, Marian. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.